Hello, my name is Adrian and giving a video testimonial for Tim Cook with the West DFW REI Group on the Subject 2 training. I did attend it. It was an all-day class. I was hoping that it wouldn't be something that they'd cut short and kind of just give you a stack of PDFs and kind of let you do your own stuff after that. But I mean, he went through everything. Very detailed. He had what I liked about it the most is not only the information that you got from him and the paperwork or whatnot, but the contacts that you make. He introduces you to attorneys, title companies, provides you their information. So I found that to be invaluable within itself, and the information as well. It definitely gives you a very good foundation to get started on, as well as resources to, once you get your first deal, to be able to reach out to people and see what you could do with it from there, and see if you might be able to make your first one work out. You'll have some guidance there. So I definitely highly recommend it. Tim Cook definitely seems like he knows what he's doing. He's been doing it for a long time. Doesn't seem like somebody that's just reading to you something they read. You could tell he's been doing it a while. So if you're serious about it, it's worth it.